Hey everybody, welcome to the Vegas Vegan. My name is Kristina and I take restaurant recipes and I veganize them.
Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let's go. Have you ever thought about going vegan but were afraid of giving up those meats that you love? Afraid of giving up cheese? Were you thinking if you went vegan, you wouldn't get to eat all of the foods that you're used to eating on a non-vegan diet? That you would have to give up those fabulous cocktails? That you would have to give up the restaurant food, the food that you love, the food that's familiar to you? What if I told you you could have the best of both worlds? You could eat cruelty-free without giving up any of the taste. In this video, I'll show you some of my substitutions for making my favorite restaurant recipes. Let me just show you a quick peek into my refrigerator. So you see a lot of creamers and a lot of milk. It's almond milk and soy cream. So I'm not using dairy. I swap out the breads for a vegan bread. I swap out the yogurt for vegan yogurt. Even my protein shake is vegan. Gotta have your bacon? How about trying Fakin by Benevolent brand? It's delicious. Can't give up your cheese? These cheeses are award-winning and they're plant-based. Don't want to give up your chocolate? You don't have to. Hi Maggie, that's my rescue dog. She loves carrots as much as I do. I do eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. I did grow up on a farm and that's what I'm conditioned to eat, but I wanted to show I do eat cheese and all of my variations for veganizing things. Instead of using Hershey's chocolates, use these Enjoy Life. They're allergen free. Use eggless egg roll wrappers, and I can make tofu for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. Just egg replacement, great product. Then we have these Follow Your Heart healthy vegan salad dressings. Some of my stuff in my fridge is accidentally vegan. Not that, that's vegan on purpose, but like the Taco Bell sauce and the ketchup and the mustard. My Earth Balance is my butter swap, and there's my swaps.
Try by buying plant-based cheeses. I recommend melting them first. Make a grilled cheese sandwich. It melts the same. It tastes amazing. I use it in everything. Enchiladas, tacos, omelets. There's some really good products out there by different makers. I love cheese. Cream cheese too. When I make my Alfredo sauces, all I do is I take my vegan butter, I take my vegan cream cheese, almond milk, I'll season it up in a pan, and I'll pour it over my noodle. There you have creamy Alfredo sauce. Tofu I use for so many things. I can make chicken out of tofu, chicken parmesan video. I also can make a scramble out of tofu, so I just add the tofu, take some nutritional yeast, add the turmeric, which is great for inflammation, and it gives it that color. And then I add my seasonings, add my vegan cheese, top it with avocado, vegan sour cream, and there you go, there's your scramble. It's just egg. It's made from mung beans. It pours out like an egg. It scrambles like an egg. I've made omelets, check out my omelet video. Any kind of egg replacement that's needed, I use this. So baking cookies, making cakes. And go for the new vegan line of Ben & Jerry's. They are awesome. They have all kinds of flavors. You're not going to miss a thing. And it's really easy to continue to eat those foods that you're familiar with. Foods you ate as a non-vegan while on a vegan diet. Vegan whipped cream. I put this to garnish some of my cocktails. You can check out my cocktail video. These Gardein products, they're great products to try as a beginner going vegan because they're like mock meats. You can't taste the difference. Even if you don't know how to cook, they have some products that are microwavable. And make a breakfast sandwich. If you're really missing those cheeseburgers, Beyond Meat is so delicious.
as well as Impossible Burgers.
Being vegan, it's so easy, so much easier than way back when I started.
Hit that like, hit that subscribe. And I wanted to show that not only do I eat cruelty-free, but I also use cruelty-free products on my face. Here's my Nikki Tutorial Shimmer Powder, my Lights Camera Splashes by Tarte, my Man-Eater eyeliner, who everyone knows I love my eyeliner. My brushes are vegan. I've got my Juice Beauty foundation, my 100% pure product line for wrinkles. I've got my Stem Cellular Cream, which I love. These are just all vegan products. And trust me when I say they work, because I have 54-year-old skin, y'all, and I work on the floor of a casino in Las Vegas. My restaurant is right there where people are passing by, blowing smoke into our faces, which dehydrates. But look at my skin. It is hydrated. Cruelty-free is the way to go. Questions about a food substitution you need to veganize? Leave me a comment down below. Veganism is all about kindness and compassion. Let me help you veganize it. Thank you so much, Mydra. This is my apron. This is my YouTube channel banner. And I just want to give a big shout out to Made by Mydra. She makes all my shirts for my show. She did these, so cute, right? She makes cups, wall art, tumblers. Her link is hyperlinked in my description box, madebymydra.com. Thanks, Mydra. And thank you all so much for watching. I will see you next time on The Vegas Vegan. Bye.